Good morning friends. Today I am making arc welder using an old microwave transformer. You can see here it is an old microwave transformer. I have taken it out from an old microwave. We are using mainly three parts for this. We are using this is an 16 square copper wire. These are two clips which will hold the copper wire at the end. Later we use another clip for the copper wire to make a arc welder. Okay, now first we have to check the primary coil and secondary coil. So we can cut this coil using an hexablade and then wind this transformer using this thicker wire, and then we can get enough voltage to enough current to make a arc welder. Okay, let's start. First we need to check this coil. This coil, it has two pin, and the secondary coil, the primary coil has less winding and the secondary coil has higher winding, because this transformer is used for creating a high voltage in microwave. So you can see this in the secondary coil, one wire is sorted to the main frame of this transformer and another wire is there, and there is also a third coil which is used as a feedback also. You can see it is a wire which is used to solder, which is used for feedback in the transformer. Later, now we will test the primary coil. First, this is an simple voltmeter. You need to set this into the beeping mode. Now first check both probe they are in sorting mode or not. No, I think it is at that point. Now it is in beeping mode. We are checking the primary coil. It is fine, and we check the ohms rating of this coil. It has a 34 ohms resistance. Now we will check the secondary coil. I'm thinking like my secondary coil is damaged, so it is not showing. It is not working, my secondary coil. No, my secondary coil is sorry. My secondary coil is damaged, and there is no use of third coil, so we will cut the primary coil and secondary coil safely so we can't damage the primary coil. Okay, now we will start the cutting. We will use the hacksaw blade to cut this. Now cut it safely, that do not cut your hand. coil is burned from inside. You can see here there are lots of copper wire coming out from there. Now you can see here there are too many copper wire coming out of here. This is our primary coil, secondary coil. We will cut it, and there is an this is an primary coil. Okay. Now we have cutted the half coil. I see here both we have those side we have cutted all the coils. Now we will remove this by using a hammer and a screwdriver. Okay, let's begin it. We will show you how to remove this. Simply put this and remove the coil. Now we have removed the cutted the coil from both sides. You see here it has been cut it down from both sides. Now we are removing the third wire, this wire. Now I have done cutting the coil, and now my some coils are also gone damaged here. So I have so try to remove it as with very precaution, because if that coil will be damaged then you got many problem here. Now we have got mini coil like bunch of wire cutting from the secondary coil. Now I'm going to tape it as good as possible. Now let's begin. Use a tape which is used in hospitals for bandage. This is made of paper and works very good. दिख रहा है Now we have finished rolling it up. See here, it is. Now we have taped it accurately, so no copper oil is seeing outside. Now we will tape this wire. No. We have finished installing it. Now we will solder two heavy wires on this wire on this side. see here, this is our 2 wire. Now it is working fine. You need to make only 2 turns. Try to make from right side and go inside. Make this turn. Now we will. Now see, this is some performer. Winding is completed. There are the 2 wires. Now we will check the voltage also. How many voltage? And the ampere also. Only 0.2 volt. See here, only 0.2 volt. While reducing it to 2000 millivolt, it's nearly 0.5. Just a minute. Now see, we have connected 2 wires, and here is the voltage. We are getting only 5.8 milliamps millivoltage only. Now we will connect these 2 screws. Now try to tighten. Now we need to solder this clip. Again, doing this. Plier. Now clipping this clip on the wire. So we will now take the nut and do the now. Now our 2 clips have been mounted on it. Now we will hammer it for better grip. the clips are ready. Both wire, all is ready. We have successfully mounted the lock cable there. It is a wire of 2 winding. This is ready. Now we will test it. Now see, it started glowing red. Melting red. Now see, it look like more than 50 ampere is passing through it. Now let's try another thing which will hit. We'll try this, which has been taken out from this same transformer.
नीचे रखो उसको।
Now my hand will be now.
That's the last section.
Now see, red melting hot. Now move as freely you want. Now sometimes try a new thing. Some nails. Now thank you for watching my video. If you want to buy these kits with whole products like all these clips and wires and this transformer with cutting wires, you can buy it from eBay. The link is given below. Now thank you for watching. Keep subscribing.